Hey everyone, this is your trainer from the Electronic Service Division of the Yakima County Library. In this segment, I'm going to talk about filtering data. The filter function is in the sort and filter group under the data tab. Let's say in this example, I wanted to sort out the data individually. Let's say I want to see the East region all alone and Central region all alone. All I have to do is click anywhere on the data, and I just have to click on the little filter function right there. The minute I click it, all of those filter um, uh, function comes up on the individual column. Let's say I wanted to filter by the region. I'm going to click the filter arrow next to it, and I can choose. I don't want to select all of it. I just wanted to see the central. I can uncheck select all. I can do central. I can click on OK on that. So in the central, I do have, full payment, bill payment, and the overdue payment. So all I'm seeing is the central. If I wanted to clear the filter, I go back to the filter column, and I can do clear from the filter region, or if I wanted to clear the filter at all times, I can simply unclick that, or click one more time, I should say, on that filter. So this filter button is the toggle button, one time on, one time off. Let's try one more time again. So I am going to click anywhere on the data. I'm going to click on the filter. Then I'm going to click the region back, and this time I'm going to do only the East. So I'm going to uncheck the select all, click on the East, click on OK. I got everybody from the East. Let's say I wanted to get only the overdue people from the East. So I have filtered the region already. I can apply another filter in another column. So I'm going to go to the payment column. I only wanted to see the overdue people. I can click on overdue alone, uncheck the select all, click on OK. By doing so, I am seeing the overdue people from the East. So that is how you put multiple filters on the same data. If you wanted to unfilter one at a time, you can go to any of the filter column and unfilter it by clearing from the payment. Or if you wanted to unfilter the entire data, you can simply click on that filter function one more time again. That is how you would filter single column or multiple column. That is all for this segment. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next segment.